think I used to go up this on my XR 400. Yeah, so there's like little canyon stuff. Ooh, almost hit that big rock. King of the motos, let's go! Come on, Cody, kickstart, Cody. You want some? This is funner, more fun than I thought. Come on, Ryder LeBlanc, where are you, bro? Some of this sandy stuff is kind of hard to keep it straight. It's kind of wheelie wagging, and I'm pretty sure this is private property right here. It looks like some people are going up there. That was fun. I liked it. And we can take the single track back instead of the canyon. So when I'm out on these rides, there's just like a lot of stuff going through my mind, just whether it be work or relationships or other stuff. That can kind of leave you blinded if you're like deep in thought and you're not paying attention. You gotta pay attention. But that was hella fun. Nothing too crazy. Unless you're crazy, then it might be a little more crazy. Or you just might think it is.